Best gas cooktops. As more home cooks look to upgrade their kitchens, the demand for best gas cooktops continues to grow. These appliances offer instant heat control, durability, and reliable performance for everyday cooking or gourmet meals. In this guide, we evaluate models based on burner type, build quality, cooking layout, ease of cleaning, safety features, and overall value. Whether your priority is power, precision, or versatility, you'll find a cooktop that suits your needs. Product number 1. Topwish Gas Stovetop. The Topwish Gas Stovetop is a strong choice for homeowners seeking robust power and versatility without a steep price tag. Featuring 5 burners, including a high-output triple-ring wok burner, this cooktop handles everything from delicate simmering to intense stir-frying. Its stainless steel surface and sealed burners keep cleanup straightforward, while the heavy cast-iron grates provide stability for large pots. One of its standout advantages is the convertible design, allowing easy use with either natural gas or LPG. Flame failure protection adds an important safety layer by automatically shutting off gas if the flame extinguishes. The burner layout is thoughtfully spaced, giving ample room for simultaneous multi-pot cooking. While the design leans more functional than premium, the performance-to-cost ratio is excellent. For small kitchens, apartments, or users wanting flexibility at a reasonable price, Topwish offers commendable value. Product number 2. 30-inch built-in gas cooktop with griddle. This 30-inch built-in cooktop stands out because of its included griddle, a feature that immediately expands your cooking options. From pancakes and grilled sandwiches to seared vegetables, the griddle adds restaurant-style capability. The cooktop features 5 burners with a well-balanced configuration, delivering everything from low simmering heat to powerful boiling performance. Continuous cast-iron grates make it easy to move pots around without lifting. The sealed burners help minimize messes, and the durable stainless steel construction holds up well in busy kitchens. Its design prioritizes workspace efficiency, with a center burner offering strong, even heating. This model is an excellent choice for families and versatile home cooks looking for a single appliance that can handle a wide range of everyday and specialty cooking tasks. Product number 3. Frigidaire GCCG 3047AS Gallery 30-inch Gas Cooktop. The Frigidaire Gallery GCCG 3047AS is known for its combination of modern style and impressive functionality. 5 sealed burners, including a flexible brass power burner, give users controlled performance, allowing fast boiling or soft simmering with equal ease. The cooktop includes continuous cast-iron grates, which make it easy to slide cookware between burners. Premium touches like LED backlit knobs, which illuminate when the burner is on, bring both safety and visual appeal. A melt cap accessory offers gentle heat, ideal for chocolate, butter, or delicate sauces. For those who want extra versatility, the included griddle enhances what you can prepare on the surface. This is a great mid to premium option that balances power, design, and user-friendly features, making it ideal for those who cook frequently and appreciate modern enhancements. Product number 4. Electrolux Frigidaire Professional FPGC 3077RS 30-inch Gas Cooktop. The Frigidaire Professional FPGC 3077RS delivers a premium cooking experience with excellent durability. Its standout feature is the high-powered Power Plus burner, which reaches up to 18,200 BTU, perfect for deep frying, wok cooking, or rapid boiling. 5 sealed burners provide versatility, while Precision Pro controls allow exact heat adjustments for delicate recipes. Built from robust stainless steel and paired with heavy cast-iron grates, this cooktop is made for regular high-intensity use. It's also approved for installation over a wall oven, making it suitable for custom kitchens. Its efficient heat distribution ensures consistent cooking performance, and the layout gives ample space for multiple large pots.
For serious home chefs or busy households that demand reliability and professional-style power, this model stands out as a top-tier choice.
Product number 5. GE JGP 3030 SLSS 30-inch gas cooktop. The GE JGP 3030 SLSS is a reliable, practical cooktop well-suited for everyday kitchens. With 4 sealed burners, it offers a straightforward layout that's easy to navigate, clean, and maintain. The 15,000 BTU power burner supports quick boiling and larger cookware, while the low simmer burner is ideal for gentle heating. Unlike some models with complex extras, this cooktop focuses on simplicity and dependability. Continuous cast iron grates allow smooth pan movement, and dishwasher-safe grates make cleanup simple. Its recessed stainless steel design helps contain spills and provides a polished look. While it has fewer burners than competitors, its performance and ease of use make it an excellent choice for smaller families or users who prefer a clean, minimal layout without unnecessary add-ons.